This is a 4-pack of electric toothbrush heads compatible with Sonicare by Wasteless. So it's designed in Canada and made in China. They are made out of biodegradable products, so specifically bamboo and BPA-free plant fiber. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to buy it, it would cost you $18. They haven't paid me for my review, and so my opinion remains my own. So in the outside cardboard packaging, you get 4 of the smaller cardboard packages, and inside of each of these smaller packages, we have an electric toothbrush head carved out of bamboo with biodegradable bristles. They feel like regular toothbrush bristles. In here, there is a tiny little insert. I'm not sure what it's made of, but it looks kind of like it's a plastic insert with a particular connection point inside that's for the Sonicare toothbrush. They don't specify if this is for the newer Sonicare that have the triangle head or if it's for the older Sonicare that have the square head. So I have one of the older Sonicares that typically uses the square brush head. It seems to work pretty well with it. The gap here is a little bigger than I'm used to, but it does work just fine. And then this is a toothbrush that uses the newer diamond-shaped Sonicare heads. And so this fits better from a gap perspective, so that fits a little better there. So it appears that this will fit on just about any toothbrush that uses just about any style of Sonicare heads. The older style ones might have a larger gap here. It does not appear to affect the operation at all, but it does make a bigger gap. So let me go try this guy out. All right, impressions after brushing my teeth once. The bristles are obviously newer than my older toothbrush head. I would call these medium bristles. They're not quite hard, but they're definitely not soft, so I think they're medium. They're probably going to get softer over time, just like these bristles do. So size-wise, it's very similar, but the bamboo is just a little bit thicker than the plastic. So perfectly acceptable. It felt like it did a very good job cleaning my mouth. There is obviously the visual discontinuity between the plastic and the bamboo here. All right, so from a pricing perspective, these guys here cost about the same as an OEM Sonicare toothbrush head. They're significantly more expensive than a generic toothbrush head. And so you are paying for the fact that they are made out of bamboo and BPA-free plant-based bristles here. Now there is what looks like a little plastic insert there that meets up with the toothbrush head. And I don't know if that's a biodegradable alcohol-based plastic or if that is just plastic, but there is a little tiny piece in there that may or may not be biodegradable.